At first glance, a kiwi seems like just a small fruit with rough, brown skin that isn't very eye-catching. But when you cut it open, you'll be amazed by its vibrant green flesh, tiny black seeds, and refreshing sweet and tart flavor. Few people know that inside this little fruit lies a treasure trove of nutrients, earning it the title of a green superfood around the world. With just a single small kiwi, you can fuel your body with a vitamin C content several times higher than that of an orange, along with fiber, vitamin E, and a wealth of antioxidants. Kiwi helps boost the immune system, supports digestion, reduces stress, improves sleep, and is especially known as a miracle fruit for naturally radiant and healthy skin. Many studies have also shown that kiwi helps regulate blood pressure, promotes heart health, and is an excellent choice for diets and weight loss. Not too flashy, yet kiwi is the secret to staying healthy and youthful that nutrition experts recommend consuming every day. And what about you? Are you ready to add kiwi to your diet and fully enjoy the wonderful benefits that nature has to offer? Let's explore it together in today's video. Do you think the kiwi fruit comes from New Zealand? Surprisingly, that's completely wrong. Few people know that the true origin of the kiwi is actually China, where it was once simply called yang tao. More than 700 years ago, the Chinese already knew how to use yang tao as a natural remedy to nourish health and boost vitality. However, at that time, it was still just a wild fruit, little known outside the borders of China. In the early 20th century, kiwi was brought to New Zealand by missionaries. Thanks to the temperate climate and fertile soil, the fruit quickly adapted and was widely cultivated. The people of New Zealand fell in love with its refreshing flavor and gradually made kiwi a part of their culinary culture. And it was here that yang tao received a new name. Because its rough brown skin resembled the feathers of the kiwi bird, the national symbol, the name kiwi was officially born and has remained closely associated with New Zealand to this day. Today, kiwi has gone beyond the borders of New Zealand to become a globally renowned export. From Italy, Chile, and Greece to China, its original homeland, kiwi has made its mark as one of the most delicious and nutrient-rich fruits in the world. Small yet extraordinary, the journey of kiwi from China's yang tao to a global green superfood is a true testament to the remarkable power of nature. Don't let its small and somewhat rough appearance fool you. Inside the kiwi lies a treasure trove of nutrients that few other fruits can match. With just 100 grams of kiwi, your body receives over 90 milligrams of vitamin C, nearly 3 times more than an orange, the fruit most famous for its vitamin C content. This makes kiwi a wonderful companion for a strong immune system and naturally radiant, healthy skin. And that's not all. Kiwi also carries a golden list of vitamins, from K, E, and A to folate B9, all essential for maintaining energy, supporting growth, and helping your body function smoothly every day. That's not all. Kiwi is also a rich source of potassium, magnesium, calcium, zinc, and copper, valuable minerals that help regulate blood pressure, strengthen bones and joints, and support the nervous system. What truly makes kiwi worthy of the superfood title is its abundant fiber content, which helps the digestive system function more smoothly. Along with that come powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, natural shields that protect cells and slow down the aging process. And did you know? All of these amazing benefits are packed into just 100 grams of kiwi, equivalent to about 60 calories. Tasty, nutritious, and waistline-friendly, kiwi is truly the perfect choice for a healthy and youthful lifestyle every day. Small and humble, yet kiwi is hailed as a green superfood. So, what makes this seemingly ordinary fruit so highly praised? Let's explore 7 amazing benefits that kiwi brings to both health and beauty. First of all, kiwi is a natural armor for the immune system. Just one small fruit contains an exceptional amount of vitamin C, several times more than an orange, helping the body feel like it's shielded in armor, ready to fight off bacteria and viruses, especially during cold and flu season. Secondly, kiwi is a true best friend of the digestive system. It contains a natural enzyme called actinidin, which acts as a powerful aid in breaking down proteins and reducing bloating. Combined with its rich fiber content, kiwi makes your meals feel lighter and easier to digest. Thirdly, kiwi is a loyal gatekeeper for the heart. Its potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, while its powerful antioxidants help lower bad cholesterol. Eating kiwi regularly is like maintaining the most important engine in your body, your heart. Fourth, kiwi helps keep your eyes bright and healthy. It contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two valuable antioxidants that protect the retina and reduce the risk of macular degeneration, especially important for older adults. Fifth, kiwi is also a secret to better sleep. This small fruit contains natural serotonin, a compound that helps regulate sleep. Eating kiwi before bedtime can make it easier for you to fall into a deep sleep and wake up feeling energized. Sixth, kiwi is a golden companion on the journey to staying in shape. With its low calories, high water content, and rich fiber, kiwi helps you feel full for longer and reduces cravings. It's truly the ideal fruit for anyone following a healthy diet. And finally, kiwi is the secret to smooth, radiant skin. Packed with vitamins C and E, it helps fight oxidation, slow down aging, and bring you naturally bright, youthful, and healthy-looking skin. Just one small kiwi holds countless amazing benefits for both health and beauty. So what are you waiting for? Add kiwi to your daily diet and fully enjoy this precious gift from nature. Do you think all kiwis are the same? In fact, the world of kiwis is more diverse than you might imagine. Today, there are 3 most common types of kiwi, each offering its own unique flavor and nutritional value. First is the green kiwi, the most familiar variety. With its perfectly balanced sweet and tart flavor and rich fiber content, green kiwi is the #1 choice for supporting digestion and delivering a refreshing taste in every bite. Next is the golden kiwi, distinguished by its sun-like golden flesh. It has a naturally sweet, milder taste compared to green kiwi and boasts an exceptionally high vitamin C content. If you're looking for a fruit that's both delicious and great for boosting immunity, golden kiwi is the perfect choice. Finally, there's the red kiwi, rare and truly unique. Its vibrant red flesh is not only visually stunning, but also rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that are especially beneficial for heart health. Each type of kiwi offers its own flavor journey, from refreshing sweet and tart, to pleasantly sweet, to unique and rare. So, which kiwi will you choose for your meal today? Not only is kiwi nutritious, but it's also incredibly easy to enjoy. The simplest way? Just cut it in half and scoop out the soft, juicy flesh with a spoon. Quick, refreshing, and absolutely delicious. Want to switch things up? Try turning kiwi into a refreshing smoothie, a colorful fruit salad, or a cool juice to beat the summer heat. Add a few slices of kiwi to your oatmeal and yogurt for breakfast, and you'll have a healthy source of energy to fuel your entire day. And it doesn't stop there. Kiwi is also a star when it comes to decorating cakes and desserts. Its fresh green color and lightly sweet tart flavor make any dish more eye-catching and irresistibly appealing. Storing kiwi is just as simple. Not ripe yet. Leave it at room temperature for a few days until it becomes soft and sweet. Once ripe, simply keep it in the refrigerator. You can enjoy it within 5 to 7 days while it still retains its fresh flavor. From eating it fresh, blending it into drinks, using it in desserts, to storing it with ease, kiwi is truly a fruit that's both simple and versatile. So, how do you enjoy kiwi the most? Kiwi is truly a superfood with countless benefits. But did you know? Not everyone can enjoy this fruit freely. Some people may be allergic to kiwi, especially those who have had allergies to latex. In such cases, the body may react with itching or rashes. In addition, since kiwi is high in fiber, eating too much at once may cause bloating or mild diarrhea. Therefore, enjoy kiwi in moderation to fully savor its flavor and wonderful benefits. Small and simple, yet kiwi contains a treasure trove of nutrients, beneficial for both health and beauty. It's no exaggeration that experts call it a green superfood. Add kiwi to your daily diet, and you'll gain countless benefits, from boosting immunity and improving digestion to enhancing your skin. But remember, eating too much isn't always better. Enjoy kiwi in moderation, in a way that suits your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so we can explore more nutritious foods together. Thank you for watching, and see you again on the next journey.